Hello everyone, welcome to Stage Adolescence. Hope you are enjoying these tutorials. So after watching the video like this one, please subscribe. Um, we're going to focus on measures of central tendons. We are going to focus on measures of central tendons. So under measures of central tendons, um, the teacher collected the marks for the test written by 6 mathematics students. So after the teacher collected that information in form 5 class, and their marks was recorded, and the test was marked out of 20, and the test was marked out of 20, and their marks was recorded. After their marks was recorded, these marks is shown below, right? So we have 10, we have 18, we have 10, we have 15, we have 12, we have 8. So since you said we're going to focus on each of measures of central tendon, said you are going to focus on measures of central tendons, right? So first find the mode, then B, find the median, then C, calculate the mean, right? So you should know that the mode is just the value with the highest appearance, or the value which appears mostly from this given data. So there is no need to arrange the values in order to find the value with the highest appearance. You have to look for the value with the which was repeated many times. We have 10, 18, 10, 15, 12, 8. Then, so in order to find the mode from this given data, which value is shown but repeated several times. So from this given data, we have 10, 18, then 10, 15, 12, 8. So for the mode we have 10. Remember, 10 appears twice. We have 10, we have 10. So 10 becomes our mode from there. This becomes our mode from there. And then apart from mode, we are also asked to find the median. We are also asked to find the median. So in order to find the median, from this given data, first of all, we have to check if these marks are from 6 students. Remember, from 6 students. So remember, from 6 students. First of all, we have to check if the total number of students, if the total number of students is an even number or odd number. You have to check for these two things. You have to check if the total number of students here is an even number or an odd number. So if it's an even number, then first of all you have to arrange your values. It's either ascending order or descending order. You have to arrange it either using ascending order or descending order. Arrange your values according to ascending order or descending order. Ascending order, you have to start with the smallest value until you reach the largest value. Then descending order is the opposite of ascending order. You have to start with the largest value and end with the smallest value. So let's use ascending order, where you have to start with the smallest value. Which one is the smallest value from this given data? We have 8. So we have 8 as the smallest value. After 8, followed by 10, 10, followed by 10, 10, followed by 10, 10. Then after, we have 8, 10, 10. Then we have 12, 15, 18. We have 12, 15, 18. So from these 6 students, we have 6 students here. As I said, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, 6 is an even number. 6 is an even number. 6 is an even number. So 6 is an even number. We have to pick the 2 middle values. You have to pick 2 middle values. This one. Remember, we have 2 values here and 2 values here. We don't have the real median. So we have to add these 2 values and divide it by 2. So we have to find the sum of these 2 values and divide by 2. So their sum is 10 plus 12 divided by 2. This is equals to 10 plus 12, which is 22, divided by 2, which is equals to 11. So from this given data, 11 becomes our median. As I said, after watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, please. So 11 become our median. So if the data is an odd, for example, if we have 7 students, or if we have 9 students, if we have 11 students, if we have 5 students, if we have 3 students, remember, from that data, the median is real. For instance, let's add another value here. For example, let's add maybe we can add 11 here. Now we now have instead of 6, we now have 7 students. 7 number of students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 students wrote the test, and their marks was recorded. So if, as I said, if it's an odd, which means the median is real. Remember, we have 1 here, then we have 1 here, then 1 here, then 1 here, then 1 here, then 1 here. Then this one becomes our median if the data or the number of students is odd. If it's odd, which means the data for the median is a real value. But though our data is even, then you have to add the 2 values and divide it by 2. We have 22. 10 plus 12, 22 divided by 2, which is 11. So 11 become our median from this given data. Right, we are done with median. Then let's move on to the last part. Calculate the mean. So for us to calculate the mean, first of all, we have to add all these values. Right. We are saying for the mean, we have to add all values and divide it by the number of students who wrote that test. So we have for mean, we are saying we have 10 plus then plus 8 plus 12. We have 10 plus 10 plus 12 plus 8 plus 15 plus 18. Then divided by the number of students who wrote the test is 6. Then we are saying 10 plus 10, which is 10 plus 10, which is 20. Then 12 plus 8, which is 20. Now we have 40. Then we are saying 40 plus 15, 40 plus 15 plus 18. This one is 8 plus 8 plus 5 becomes 13, carry 1. Then 4 plus 1 plus 5, 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is 6 plus 1, 73, which is 73. So we have 73 divided by 6, 73 divided by 6, 73 divided by 6, 73 divided by 6, which is 6 into 7, 6 into 7 is 1, remainder 1, 6 into 13, 6 into 13 is 2, remainder 1, into 10, 6 into 10 is 1, remainder 4, then 6 into 40 is 6, remainder 4, then 6 into 40, so it's 12, 1, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and so on. Then if you are not asked to round to the nearest n significant figure or decimal place, please use your own, but you have to indicate. So from this data, I have to round to the nearest 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places, I have to count 1, 2. Then this one, I have to look for the third one. Since I want to write to the nearest 2 decimal places, I have 1, 2. Then look for the third value. If it's equal to 5 or more than 5, I have to add another value here. So if 12, 1, 7, 2, 2 decimal places. So this is how to calculate the mean. Also, this is how to find the mode, the median. So as I said, guys, after watching that video, please subscribe. And if it's your second chance to reach this channel and you already subscribed to this channel, please like, comment, and share. Thank you.